Welcome to another new video here in Sanchaba, the Gambia. What's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and family. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how this neighborhood of Sanchaba Job looks, plus I'll be showing you the latest update on this new road which they are constructing here in Sanchaba Job, the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you guys how it looks here. Anyways viewers, guys, currently I'm in Sanchaba Job, walking towards Sukuta. Yeah, and then this is how this is the latest update on this new road here in Sanchaba Job. So you guys can see this road is an asphalt road. Yep. And then this is how the real life looks here in this part of the Gambia called Sanchaba Job. And guys, that's where the people who are doing the road construction here kept their machines. So you guys can see the machines they are using to do the road construction here on this road. The road isn't finally complete yet, but as you guys can see, the vehicles start using this road. And this is the 4K view of this part of Sanchaba Job, the Gambia in 2025. Hope you guys are enjoying what I'm getting for you here. Thank you. Guys, this is how the real life looks here in this Gambian community called Sanchaba Job, and this is the condition of this road. As you guys can see, the road is still under construction. Yeah, and then this road leads all the way to Sukuta. Yeah, but I will end this video before even reaching at Sukuta. Yep. And then guys, if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes really helps a lot. It helps YouTube to push the video to a larger audience. And then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel too. Your subscription also really helps a lot. It helps to grow the channel. Yeah, this is the 4K view of Sanchaba Job. Yes. Okay. Guys, I'm almost at Sanchaba Lower Basic School. Yep, I'm almost at the Sanchaba Lower Basic School. So you guys can see these animals roaming freely on the streets of the Gambia. Those are cattle. Guys, I'm still in Sanchaba. Sanchaba Job, yes. As you guys can see, school children who close from school with their school uniforms. Yeah. School children close from school. And then guys, that's the main entrance for Sukuta Lower Basic School. Yeah. There's an welding workshop over here. Finally guys, this is where I will end this video. So guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. Peace. Love you. This is all I have for you in today's video here in Sanchaba, the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out.